Let's get you details of UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's comments on anti-Hindu atrocities, not just in Bangladesh, but also speaking about what happened in Sambhal, the riots that broke out in Sambhal. Yogi Adityanath saying that Hindus are being targeted in Bangladesh, and we've all seen and witnessed what's taking place in Sambhal too. This is a big statement that's come in from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, even as questions are being asked of him over the incident in Sambhal, over the riots in Sambhal by the opposition. Yogi Adityanath has alleged that Hindus are being targeted everywhere, saying that whether it's in the neighboring country of Bangladesh where Hindus are being targeted or what's happening in Sambhal. You've got a comment there from Yogi Adityanath where he's saying that the DNA is always the same.
दुश्मन बगल के देश में किस प्रकार का कृत्य कर रहे हैं, याद रखना। किसी को अगर गलतफहमी हो, 500 वर्ष पहले बाबर के एक सिपह सालार ने जो काम अयोध्या में किया था, जो काम संभल में किया था, और जो काम आज बांग्लादेश के अंदर हो रहा है, तीनों की प्रकृति, तीनों का डीएनए एक जैसा है। गलतफहमी में मत रहना। अगर कोई ये मानता है कि वो बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है, तो यहां भी बांटने वाले तत्व उनके लिए बेट बन करके खड़े हो रखे हैं, पहले से खड़े हैं। वे समाज के सामाजिक ताने बाने को छिन्न भिन्न कर रहे हैं।
Samarth Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Samarth, you've got a comment there from Yogi Adityanath essentially hinting that he believes what happened in Sambhal was a conspiracy and then linking what's happening in Bangladesh to Sambhal. And the comment he says is that the DNA of these attacks is the same.
Well, exactly. CM Yogi Adityanath has made this remark in the temple town Ayodhya, where he clearly connects the three locations. Number one, it's Ayodhya. Number two, it's Bangladesh. And number three is Sambhal. He says that whatever happened by the Babar's army in Ayodhya is quite similar to that. What's happening currently with the Hindus in Bangladesh. Also, he spoke about the Sambhal. So he in a way correlated all these three incidents in a go. He talked about the Ayodhya incident, what happened by the Babar army years ago, what actually happened few days back in Sambhal, and what currently is happening against the Hindu community in Bangladesh. And the message from Yogi Adityanath is clear that he rose the issue of batenge to katenge. He is trying to make it forward, though he did not call these words batenge to katenge, but his message was very loud and clear to the vote bank which BJP addresses, and clearly says that we have to be alert from them because they have the same DNA. Because what happened in Sambhal, Bangladesh, or number 3 in Ayodhya, all was done by the people of the same DNA. That's what CM Yogi Adityanath has said in Ayodhya. This is such a big remark because he has in a way maintained his line of strategy of politics, what actually CM is doing from before the UP by-elections, though BJP also
it's essentially, Samarth, that this is a communal conspiracy of sorts. He's calling this a communal conspiracy, essentially. Samarth, just stay with me. I want to play out once again exactly what Yogi Adityanath has said. This is him commenting on Sambhal and linking it to the Bangladesh anti-Hindu atrocities.
दुश्मन बगल के देश में किस प्रकार का कृत्य कर रहे हैं, याद रखना। किसी को अगर गलतफहमी हो, 500 वर्ष पहले बाबर के एक सिपह सालार ने जो काम अयोध्या में किया था, जो काम संभल में किया था, और जो काम आज बांग्लादेश के अंदर हो रहा है, तीनों की प्रकृति, तीनों का डीएनए एक जैसा है। गलतफहमी में मत रहना। अगर कोई ये मानता है कि वो बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है, तो यहां भी बांटने वाले तत्व उनके लिए बेट बन करके खड़े हो रखे हैं, पहले से खड़े हैं। वे समाज के सामाजिक ताने बाने को छिन्न भिन्न कर रहे हैं।
You know, this comment, Samarth, is coming at a time when the opposition has been targeting the chief minister, saying this is a result of communal politics that we're seeing what's playing out in Sambhal. And you've got Yogi Adityanath making it very clear that the opposition attacks won't deter him. He's again said that this is a pre-planned conspiracy and that it's a communal conspiracy. That's perhaps why he's brought in Ayodhya, he's brought in Bangladesh as well.
Well, exactly, Ayodhya. CM Yogi Adityanath has taken this particular line. And we saw what happened in the previous meeting that happened in Lucknow last night, where he clearly said that the rioters won't be spared. Even the name-shame policy to display the names in the faces or in the posters, if you talk about the properties, all these things are happening here. Also, when he talks about Bangladesh, Sambhal, and correlates with Ayodhya, he says what happened in Ayodhya by Babar years ago is currently happening in Sambhal and Bangladesh, and that's what the message by CM Yogi Adityanath, what happened in the past in Ayodhya is currently, presently happening in Sambhal and also in Bangladesh. So the message from Yogi Adityanath to the voters is quite clear. He is still on the same line and also on the attacking mode, despite the claims by the opposition parties that the BJP is politicizing this particular event. Back to you.
All right, Samar, thanks very much for those details. We look out for reactions and what political parties the opposition has to say about this comment from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath at a time when you see politics over the Sambhal riots right at its peak.